What is this again? This foot thing? Because do I need to click out the foot thing too? Or do you hold on?
I think so. You have to hold it. And then...
When you kick it into gear, I think you release.
Oh, yeah.
That's weird.
It's so close.
Now try it without the choke.
Try it with that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really smoking now.
So smoky.
That's the clutch, right? The foot pedal?
Yeah. So I'm confused though. Why can I switch this? Or I guess is it just this? I'm switching. I don't
You just need to go long enough so you can put it in
know.
forward.
Yeah, basically. But then I don't know.
Can you start it without your foot on there? No. Oh, okay.
Tell me when.
Go.
I know where it's coming from.
I think it's getting close.
Yeah.
I know where it's coming from.
I'm scared I'm gonna kill the starter.
This thing is like broken right here. I think it's broken.
I'm gonna try it again.
Because it keeps smoking right there.
Oh no, golly.
On that pipe. It's
Yeah,
going
I think
flame
that-
right
that's
there.
I think that's just the exhaust.
Could it be heating
On our old
too
lawnmower,
heated?
we would choke, but then we would start it.
Like bring it down.
Like we
as
wouldn't
soon
start
as-
it with the choke, we would just get the choke and then bring it down
Oh, yeah.
now. And actually start it from low.
Oh, it's working. It's getting better.
Oh, that was so close. So maybe
Oh no. No, like what? I don't even
choke it.
Come on. You did this up, didn't you? You did. Come on.
Come on.
You want to try?
Sure.
I'm videoing you guys. So.
Something for all this, right?
What's this? That's brake. That's the brake.
I'm videoing you guys. So, I'm videoing.
Let's start it low.
I'm doing a video.
Okay.
So. And this would be popular on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's somewhere right here.
Let's see if this has.
That's.
Because I think it's dripping just a teensy bit. I don't know if these are tight enough. I don't know.
Let's see if I can start it from having the parking brake on. No.
It's still coming from there.
Yeah.
Because it's not supposed to do that, I think. Does it just stop?
That's
weird.
Let's put it in 7th gear.
That's funky.
Oh. So like it's increasing the speed keeps it longer for a second. So let's try.
It's working. Did it stop?
I thought it would want to